Let's start by choosing a background color for your book cover. Go to the Tools menu, choose Paint Tools submenu, and from there, the Bucket Fill option. This makes the Bucket Fill tool the active tool that you will be using. On the left side of the screen, you see a black box overlapping a white box. The black box in this case is the foreground color, and the white box is the background color. Click the black box to select a different color for the active foreground color. Here you will see the Change Foreground Color window. Start by clicking somewhere on the vertical rainbow colored bar that's close to the location of the color you would like. I'll choose a blue. Then in the larger box to the left, you can click and drag your mouse cursor to fine-tune the type of color that you're looking for. When you find a color that you're satisfied with, click the OK button. Now you will notice that the active foreground color box has changed from black to the color that you just selected. With the Bucket Fill tool active, click in the white space in the middle of the screen. And now your background color has changed to the color that you selected.